good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a new video today on an asset we've actually done on the past, Algorand. I don't know what happened to the drawings as per usual, so we're just going to do it fresh so we have a good understanding of what to expect moving forward. We can see, I mean, it's already having a pretty heavy retrace from the low to the high, grounding bottom, and then we had a little pop off, and now we're coming back down. But there is a good thing right here that I will point out in a second. Before we get started, guys, as usual, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, I would greatly appreciate you taking the second to click that button, the bell button for the notifications as they come out. If you can subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. About 80% of you are watching this video and not subscribing, which is driving me insane. Please, please, please help me out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up button to like the video if you like what you're watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how I'm doing, so that way the algorithm of YouTube can start spreading this video out to more like-minded individuals, helping me get more growth. Aside from that, guys, if you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the servers in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much. Like our MEXC link, this is where we do all our trading because they have the lowest fee. So come join us, have some fun. Come scalp with us on the Discord server if you would like. I would greatly appreciate it. Aside from that, guys, let's get it going. As I said, this thing had lows, went highs, sold off pretty hard. And the one thing I can point out on the naked chart is that the volume, okay? Whatever was going on with this asset before, I don't really care. But at this point right here, when it made a higher low on this low, okay, this was a higher low, and this higher low was met with volume. And that volume is what caused us to break out of the little inverse head and shoulder that was forming here. And that's where this first leg up came. Well, that's just, in my opinion, Wyckoff wise, that's just one wave. Here's wave two. Wave 3, 4, and 5. Wave 3 and 5 have the highest amplitude, the largest moves in Wyckoff theory. Wave 3 and wave 5. Right now we're at wave 2, meaning if wave 2 does not engulf wave 1, wave 3 should break out above the high of wave 1 and actually make a new high, and then wave 4 will retrace right on the top of this level, which is 62 cents, and wave 5 will take out the high that we make on wave 4 and make a new high, probably coming out to like around here, 110. Now this is a weekly chart, guys, so just keep those emotion in check. Another good thing I can say is this volume that you had that was upside, great. This sell-off that you had is on diminishing volume, meaning there's bullish divergence. So the likelihood of that pop-off is very, very, very possible. Another good sign is this whole time this yellow EMA was on the bottom, okay? Almost crossed here, failed, okay? First attempt fail, second attempt cross. I don't think we are looking at any more downside until this yellow line gets underneath this green line and price action is underneath it. If yellow stays above green exactly like this and goes sideways, you will get an impulse above this level here, 32 cents. You will find some support at 30 cents, and then you will start that new wave up, as I was saying, wave 3. Okay? That is why I'm bringing this to your attention. Here are the fibs. Everything looks like we are retesting this inverse head and shoulder right here. I know it's not the prettiest head and shoulder, but it's an inverse head and shoulder nonetheless. And then you can see this head and shoulder. Both met its target. This met its target over here. This met its target over here. And the reason why we went higher above this level is because we did not take the liquidity out over here. It was a higher low. Okay? This is a higher high. So this liquidity is gone. This liquidity is protected. Now, is it going to take out the liquidity here? If not, and you make a higher low over here, then the next natural thing is to take out this liquidity here, right? And if you understand all of those doodles, the simplest way I can point this out is like this. And that's basically what I see is an expanding wedge. I'm going to remove some of these other doodles, by the way, so you guys can see the price action a little bit clearer. Cool. So now you can see the price action a little bit clear. You can understand that this level right here, all of this is buy zone. Anything inside that box is good to buy for upside continuation. So right here, as we're on the bottom of the trend line, you want to see the rounding bottom over here for the accumulation to continue. And once that accumulation, I mean, honestly, guys, in 4 days and 13 hours, I'm looking for a bottom to be put in. And then I'm looking for literally an engulf candle the week after into that level. And it makes sense next week we get that upside because the FOMC meeting is on March 19th, people. I do think the Fed is going to cut, and I do think the markets are going to breathe a sigh of relief. And that's why the market has been punishing the world because of that date. The Fed needs to cut, and if the Fed doesn't cut, you will see another massive sell off March 19th, Wednesday at 2 p.m. So please be prepared. Aside from that, uh, buying this asset at this price and waiting maybe like a week or two might be beneficial for you in the long run. But keep in mind that we're on a weekly time frame, so it is going to take a little bit of time to mature. Let me go to a higher time frame real quick. So yes, uh, the goal is to get price action above 25 cents and close it. You do need to wait out this whole month. So as I said, next week I'm looking for a reversal. It could be within the next 2 weeks. Okay, basically into the end of the month of March, we can look for that reversal. So next week actually can be real bloody, guys. As I said, FOMC is on Wednesday. We still have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday until 2 o'clock to deal with, and more than likely, uh, Tuesday, everyone will know what the decision will be. Like the insiders will already have that information because they have to type up all those reports and get it ready to telecast on the news, and all that stuff. All those hands that touch that information, they're gonna tell their friends and family, and you'll start seeing it already in the charts, in the trades. What's going on. From what I can see, technical analysis wise, this has basically been charged and primed for upside continuation in a short squeeze fashion. It should be coming soon. Just be patient, and you will get that accumulation upside push. And yeah, that's basically all I have to say about this. If you guys have any other questions on this, let me know. But as of right now, on weekly, we're looking for that reversal. Daily is already trying to put in a doji and put in a reversal. Today's daily close, we'll see what's up. And 4 hour, we need to get above 20 cents. If we can get above 20 cents, we can negate some downside. If we get rejected at 20 cents today at New York, then we're going to have to go look for liquidity lower. And it's going to be a capitulation kind of situation, meaning that if there's no buyers there, we're going to see some ugly downside. Okay? Ugly downside. Because of the fact that the next level of liquidity on Algorand is right over here, around 16 cents to 14 cents. So that's about almost a 30% drop. Yeah, about 20% drop from here. So anyone on more than 5x leverage will get liquidated if we do make that drop. So you can't use leverage right now. You have to be very, very careful. And the risk of the downside is there, but uh, the reward of upside is also there. Like in a short squeeze fashion, you will get a lot of liquidity from here to the upside on a 4 or on a daily, and that's also a 20% move. So you have to be careful taking leverage position here. They're gonna grab liquidity up down up down up down, right, in a triangle fashion. Try to accumulate longs closer to the low and try to accumulate shorts closer to the high, and then have your stop loss in that 20% range, and don't try to ride it longer than that, because it's a risk of losing capital that you don't need to lose. I mean, this thing is a very, very nice bull flag. If you guys can see it, it just needs to pop out. Like we have already doodled. We've already doodled that, hey, this accumulation will cause a pop out. And that's what we're waiting to see, is this thing just come out here and expand out. So that's all I have for you guys on Algorand. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you in the next video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, hit the bell button for notifications so you get them as they drop. And yeah, aside from that, leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what the next coin should be for our video, which will be tomorrow. And if you guys would like a stock, let me know, because I did go over some Nvidia and Tesla, and they both are in some sweet buy zones. And yeah, other than that, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, in the description of this video below is all of our affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps the channel grow, including our Discord server link and our other social medias like Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I will see you guys in the next one. Adios.